Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Before you guys go into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with crocodiles. So yes guys, I know I'm not active since of lately, but I'm going through a lot of stuff. Like honestly, this is not a prank or nothing. I'm talking health-wise, you know, and I know I might see me go on and two time because I know I have my party I come up, so we go certain places, you know. But really and truly, I'm not been doing good these past few weeks, you know. I don't know if any of y'all know about tonsillitis. That's when your tonsil, I don't know if y'all could see and realize that here is very red. So yes guys, I have tonsillitis. So my tonsil right now, it is very big. Like, I'm not gonna exaggerate, but I'm gonna use this as an example. One of my tonsil is bigger than this cock right here. You know, one of my tonsil is bigger than this cock right here. So yes, it have me worried. I'm a little worried about it, you know, because like in the night time, it's sometimes I cannot breathe because it's like it's blocking my throat. It's a little thing will come down in your mouth. I'm gonna show you a diagram with it right here, not with my mouth because I don't want nobody to circulate what's going on with me. The little thing that come down, what you call it, in your behind your tongue, in the middle and the tonsil on the two sides. The right side of my tonsil swell and meet that part. So you see how swell it is. Like the right side of my tonsil actually touching it, and then because it's so inflamed, it looks so bad guys. Like it's so red down there. At one point I thought that I catch the virus, but I went to the doctor, I did the blood work, I did the swab, and I don't have any COVID, because that was what I thought that I have. But which me know me suffer from this from a little, but this is the worst I have ever seen it. You understand? I know I suffer from tonsillitis from I was a child, and I've been supposed to take out my tonsil. You understand? And I was a bit worried. I thought it was the virus, but because you know everything happens to you nowadays. If you sneeze, them say you have the virus, right? If you sneeze, people say, oh, the virus, you know. Yeah, so enough people sick and they not even tell people say them sick, due to the fact that that's the first thing a person is going to say, that they have the virus, you know. And if I have the virus, everybody are gonna know, because I'm not going to endanger nobody, because it's not something that I give to myself. It's something that can catch. But tonsillitis, oh Lord, I don't wish this on nobody. It's so uncomfortable guys. Like when I'm sleeping in the night, I'm literally stifling. Like if I don't take the like drink the night quill before I go to sleep, like to not know what I'm doing, because I don't want to know what I did, God forbid, you know. But when I take the night quill, I get to sleep straight without but it's not every time I want to take something that I have to sleep, that I have to make me sleep, you know. So it does really take, I'm on medication differently, but maybe I take the night quill for sleep, because apart from that I keep jumping out of my sleep because I'm like stifling. I'm literally choking, you know. I'm literally choking and stifling out of my sleep. Even last night I was having a lot of difficulty, so I don't want to see me inactive and stuff, you know. But I have to take care of myself, you know. I have to make sure myself is okay, because I cannot come out here and not being okay and let other people okay. You understand? Like, I don't like my vibes. you know. So that's basically what I mean. I come and go to joy while when we finish I'm like this. Oh my god. You know. So yes people, so it's life with Curry Gooders, so I'm not gonna hold back. I'm not gonna tell you in depth like everything. But like the main thing, like when me think say I supposed to tell you guys, because nothing is wrong with telling you guys I have tonsillitis. You understand? But I'm not gonna go like in depth to say, oh, da 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 da, this is my man or whatever, whatever. No. Who knows, knows. Who don't know, don't know. You understand? But it's life with Curry Gooders, so I said I have to keep you guys updated. And I didn't even plan to do this video. I just came from the shower and thing. I'm let down my ear. I'm say, you know, so I'm gonna do a video and explain to the people what really happened to me. You know, I miss you guys. Like, trust me. You guys know my person. Like, I love to come on the screen. I love to come on the screen and. I don't know, I love come on people's screen. I really like time. And then when I'm up on screen, I can't really talk. Because if I talk too much, sometimes I feel pain after. Then if I do me live, you know, most of the time I'm alone up on the screen. So, I can't talk so much because nothing is wrong with me talking. But I have to catch my breath every minute. Like, you see me talk to you know, I have to be catching my breath every minute. You understand? But I just wanted to keep me on the prayers. You understand? And know that I am still here. Life with Curry Gooders is not going nowhere. Plus, you know me have other stuff dealing with too. You know? I'm not going nowhere. I'm not letting you miss my vibes. Miss coming and see me going crazy. But I'll be back fully soon. I just want to get this out the way, guys. Like, everybody sleep, people. Have you ever been sleeping? I just feel like, say, your heart just stop. And I feel like, that's what's been happening to me. That's what's been happening to me, guys. It's like my heart keep, like, let's stop on me, I feel like I catch my breath. Like, I don't know how to turn when I'm sleeping, because my regular way of sleeping normally, or I normally sleep, I normally sleep like this. You understand? I normally sleep on my face. And it's uncomfortable. So some people sleep on one side or two sides. I'm not that person, but you see, because of this, I don't know how to set, like, they're all over the place. I turn this away at the bed, I turn that away at the bed, I set so, I put the pillows so. Sometimes I have a little tiger teddy bear. Sometimes I have to rest it between my neck right and stuff. Because I'm so uncomfortable, then it make my hair hurt me so much, which I have a little ear infection due to the fact, you know, the tonsil is connected. You know, everything connected to your earring. For those who don't know, you know, and I kind of look for other ears a little bit. Yeah, but it's not a good feeling, guys. I don't wish this on nobody. I don't wish sick or nothing for nobody. You understand? Where's what I'm supposed to eat? Like, I have to just force myself and make up my mind, say, when I'm gonna eat, I'm just gonna feel some pain. I'm just gonna feel some pain and get this out the way. Yeah, I just, how me tell myself, say, I'm gonna feel some pain and get the food out the way because I have to eat. Because I have medication to take. You understand? It is so big, guys. I really want to show you guys. But I know people stay, them like circulate stuff. I mean, nobody circulate me over the internet. Like, to show you how bad it is. Like, when I tell you, each one of them is bigger than this clock. That's how bad it is. But the best part of it is, it's not sore. Like, sometimes it's sore where you see like the white stuff, and it's just swollen now. I don't know if down below, because according to the doctor, remember the tonsil is there and it's swelled down. so it's blocking my passage right here. You know, it's swelled down. You see that's a red, and it's just inside. I just feel even pain when I touch right here. That's how bad it is. I feel a little pain when I touch here, so it's swelled like down. People, I am not doing okay. I'm not. But I still want y'all to support my channel. You understand? Support my channel. If I'm going to do the surgery, you guys will know the full step. If I'm gonna do it, it's not gonna be now. I would have do it in like October or November. But I'll keep you guys updates with everything, you know. You see me? I'll definitely keep you guys updates. And remember guys, you have to donate to my channel. Remember you have to donate to my channel also. So look at $sign right there, so you can donate if you want. Or if you can't donate, you watch the ads. You understand? Watch the ads. Share it out. Share my video on all social media platforms. Even if you're on IG, you can do a little screen record, post up on IG or something. Share it on Facebook. I know people click on it on Facebook, send them straight to my page. Share it on WhatsApp. Don't be selfish. You understand? Share each other out. Means I can just share people, but I'm not come to talk about that really. Because I always just straight from the topic. But yeah, so you can share what going in there. A lot of people also ask me, Corey, how do I donate? Just look at the bottom of it. If you're doing a live, if I'm live, at the bottom I see a $sign. If I'm not live, it's a regular photo that I post. You're gonna see at the bottom underneath the video, you're gonna see a little art with the money sign in it. We say thank you beside it. You click on that and you donate. Or if you want to donate to my Cash App, it's Corey Goodas, as in $sign. You have to put the $sign in front of it. You cannot leave out the $sign. It's $sign Corey Goodas. Okay guys, it's $sign Corey Goodas. That's my Cash App if you all want to donate. You understand? And guys, please remember to purchase my membership. Purchase my membership. If you want to support the channel and want to come and put stuff together nice for you have to support the channel. You understand? So I could put things in place for you guys. You understand? Because what I want to do a lot of give back. You know, I want to do a lot of give back. You see me? So by support the channel, I can do. Because I don't know, it have a lot of people in need of stuff. Even in this time, there have a lot of people in need of stuff. We can help. You know, so if I don't support the channel, no, Corey can help other people. You understand? But yes, people, just keep me down with prayers. You understand? I know that I love each and every one of you guys. I really do. When I can see my week in my face, but I look at my face here, I could see that I'm not. You understand? But yes, guys, that's just it. That's really just it. Bye guys. I love you guys. I really do love you guys. Thank you for all I know who believe in me. Thank you guys. I love you so bad. I'm so start to see back a lot of Corey. But as you understand? I'm so start to see me a lot. So bless up on a nice clean self, people. Bless up on a nice clean self. But guys, before we end the video here, I want to shout out my sister channel, which is Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. yeah guys, that's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. And also guys, I want to give a shout out to CDE TV guys. CDE TV, I'm going to give him 5 shout outs. Also guys, I want to check out Still and Cut. Yeah, more on the run, I'm going to check out Still and Cut. And please subscribe and let you know life will go good as said. Also, I want to check out C&G Daily Updates, which is my next channel. You understand? Yes, C&G Daily Updates. Last but not least, I want to check out Volcano Official. Yes guys, that's Volcano Official. Or is it Official Volcano TV? I'm gonna put a picture here so y'all gonna know. So anyway guys, yeah, so I want to know all of that for me. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I want to know my Instagram. I want to get my Instagram to 5K. It's Curry underscore with us underscore. Right just so. Curry underscore with us underscore. Me day na me yo, na lay na me. So no boy can't stop me.